today we're going to replace the battery for iPhone 6s. First, open up two screws. And now take out the screen. Once you've taken out, disconnect the flags. And now the vibrator. And now roll it up and gently pull the strip out. This is the first one, that is the second one, like that. Super satisfying. So once it's done, put the double-sided tape into the replacement battery, put it on. First connect the connector and now the screen. Push the power button, it turned on. And that's the old battery, that's the new one. Thank you so much for watching.